I just want to share a couple. Let's see if I can get this microphone right. A couple quick tool customize hotkey items. One is typically if you do Control C, all right. If you do Control C and copy, it'll look like this. You just go edit copy, right? Your cursor stays the same. This is highlighted, and then you got to go somewhere else. You know, like say you wanted to paste that joist over here somewhere. Then you would go edit paste. And you get that little icon with the square to square. And there it is. But the problem with that was I was having a hard time operating reflect about, which is in here. I wanted that command right there. And I would do copy, but then it wouldn't reflect about. And so what Dan said was go up here, go into customize hotkeys, and change what you're copying to. So let's go look at all the copy stuff. It used to be copy right here was Control C, and he said do copy paste. And what that does is it loads the item into your cursor so you're ready to go. And then when you wanted to do reflect, I just made that RR. So I'm going to show you why that's good. So I'm going to copy. This is just a polyline that looks like a sheet of plywood, right? Now when I go Control C, it's already loaded into my cursor. And if I want to lay it right next to the next piece, I type RR, and then I move my cursor till I figure out where I want that. Let's say I want it right there. And there it just did. I just left clicked and it pasted. So that makes it really fast. Control C for copy, RR, boom. And then, you know, you could also use other tools. You could come down here and use this, whatever that tool's called, and set it up for 8-foot sheets of plywood. And then come up here and boom, boom, boom. So yeah. There you go. That's a quickie.